Did you know that you can be strong in bed, even if you're 80s? Check out this miracle simple energy mix that will restore you confidence back ASAP. Welcome to Humanmachine 3D, your trusted space for natural remedies, herbal medicine, and 3D health insights that help you live your strongest life, naturally. Today, I'll show you how to make a simple but powerful natural energy mix that can help men stay strong and energized, even after 60, 70, or 80. This natural drink boosts circulation, improves stamina, and enhances overall vitality using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Let's get started. Step 1. Coffee, the natural circulation booster. Start with 2 teaspoons of instant coffee in a small bowl. Coffee isn't just about staying awake. It's one of the best natural stimulants for improving blood flow and circulation, especially in men. Better circulation supports energy levels, heart health, and endurance, key factors in male vitality and stamina. It also helps burn fat and increase metabolism, making it great for natural weight loss and energy balance. Step 2. Honey, nature's energy and hormone support. Next, add 2 teaspoons of raw honey. Honey is packed with antioxidants, minerals, and enzymes that support testosterone balance, immune strength, and cellular energy. It's known as a natural aphrodisiac, used for centuries to improve men's health and enhance natural performance. Honey also helps regulate hormones and reduces inflammation, both of which are essential for maintaining energy and vitality naturally. Mix the honey and coffee together until you get a smooth blend. This combination alone creates a natural pre-workout or morning energy shot, but we're going to make it even more powerful. Step 3. Tangerine juice, vitamin C for blood flow and heart health. Now take a fresh tangerine, cut it in half, and squeeze out the juice. Tangerines are rich in vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for circulation, heart health, and immune defense. Vitamin C helps your body absorb nutrients better, boosts endorphin production, and improves blood vessel elasticity, ensuring better oxygen delivery throughout your body, including where it matters most for men. Add about 25 milliliters of the juice to your honey and coffee mixture and stir well. This step adds a refreshing flavor while increasing the bioavailability of antioxidants, turning your drink into a true natural energy and vitality booster. Step 4. Ginger, the ultimate natural stimulant. Next, take a small piece of fresh ginger and cut it into small cubes or slices. Ginger is famous for its ability to stimulate blood flow, reduce inflammation, and enhance overall wellness. Studies show that ginger supports testosterone levels, improves energy metabolism, and helps combat fatigue naturally. It's one of the most powerful natural ingredients for men's stamina, circulation, and digestive health. Add the chopped ginger to your cup, and then pour in the mixture of coffee, honey, and tangerine juice. Step 5. Add warm water. Activate the blend. Pour warm water, not boiling, into the cup to fill it. Stir it gently, and allow the ingredients to infuse for a minute or 2. As the ginger releases its natural oils and the coffee and honey dissolve, you'll notice a rich aroma. That's pure natural energy chemistry in action. This drink is packed with antioxidants, natural enzymes, and plant-based compounds that help restore vitality and endurance. It's a great morning tonic, a pre-workout energizer, or a natural stamina booster for men of any age. Step 6. How it works inside your body. Let's break down what happens when you drink this mix. The caffeine in coffee increases blood circulation and helps your heart pump oxygen efficiently. The honey provides quick natural energy and micronutrients that support hormonal function. The vitamin C from tangerine improves absorption of minerals like zinc, vital for testosterone production. The ginger enhances nitric oxide production and helps blood vessels relax, improving flow, endurance, and energy naturally. All these ingredients work together synergistically to support male vitality, circulatory health, and energy restoration. You're basically giving your body a full, natural recharge. No chemicals, no artificial boosters. Step 7. When and how to take it. Drink this mix once daily, ideally in the morning before breakfast or 30 minutes before physical activity. It's safe, natural, and effective for most adults. If you have heart or blood pressure conditions, consult your healthcare provider first. Make it part of your daily wellness routine and notice how your energy, stamina, and focus improve naturally over time. Step 8. Bonus tips for natural male energy. If you want even better results, combine this drink with these habits. Practice intermittent fasting for better hormonal balance. Include zinc-rich foods like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Do simple exercises like squats and brisk walking to boost circulation. Stay hydrated and sleep well. Recovery is key to maintaining natural vitality. Remember, true strength doesn't come from synthetic supplements. It comes from nourishing your body the right way. Outro. Thanks for watching Human Machine 3D. If you found this natural energy mix useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs an extra boost of natural strength. Drop a comment below telling us where you're watching from and what natural remedies you'd like to see next. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep learning how to power your body naturally. Only here on Human Machine 3D. Click the links below to access our ebooks on the same. And finally, the powerhouse, ginger. Ginger has been used for thousands of years as a natural stimulant and male health tonic. It increases nitric oxide levels, which helps blood vessels relax and expand. That means more oxygen flow, better endurance, and improved natural performance. Ginger also reduces inflammation, aids digestion, and promotes metabolism. All key factors in sustaining long-term stamina and vitality. When all these natural elements combine, they create what we can call a synergistic vitality formula. Each component enhances the other. The caffeine energizes, the honey balances, the vitamin C protects, and the ginger stimulates. This is why the drink works so effectively as a natural energy booster, especially for men over 40, 50, or even 80. No artificial supplements, no synthetic hormones, just pure plant-based chemistry working with your body, not against it. Step 7. When and how to take it. Now that you know what's inside and how it works, let's talk about the best way to use it. Drink this mix once daily. The ideal time is in the morning before breakfast or 30 minutes before physical activity, whether it's exercise, work, or anything that requires focus and endurance. This drink gives your body a natural lift, not a quick spike. It builds sustained energy that lasts for hours because the combination of natural sugars, antioxidants, and plant compounds keeps your blood sugar stable while improving oxygen delivery. You can also take it in the afternoon if you experience energy dips. Instead of reaching for another cup of coffee or an energy drink, use this natural alternative. If you're on a weight loss journey, this energy mix supports that too. Coffee and ginger boost your metabolism. Honey provides clean fuel, and vitamin C improves nutrient absorption. This makes it perfect for anyone practicing intermittent fasting or natural weight loss methods. For men concerned about vitality, stamina, or testosterone, consistency is key. Drink it daily for 2 to 3 weeks and notice how your energy, strength, and focus improve naturally. It's not an instant miracle. It's a natural restoration process. If you have heart conditions, high blood pressure, or are on medication, it's always wise to consult your healthcare provider before starting any new health routine, even a natural one. Remember, this mix is not just about being strong in bed. It's about being strong in life, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Step 8. Bonus tips for natural male energy. To get the most out of this natural energy mix, combine it with a few simple but powerful lifestyle habits. 1. Practice intermittent fasting. Fasting gives your body time to repair and balance hormones naturally. It improves insulin sensitivity, supports fat metabolism, and enhances growth hormone. All key for maintaining male vitality and testosterone production. Try the 16:8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat your meals during an 8-hour window. 2. Eat zinc-rich foods. Zinc is one of the most essential minerals for male health. It supports hormone balance, sperm health, and immune strength. Include foods like pumpkin seeds, walnuts, almonds, spinach, and lentils in your diet. 3. Stay active. Movement boosts circulation and keeps your heart healthy. You don't need to go to the gym daily. Even 30 minutes of brisk walking, squats, or yoga can make a difference. Physical activity helps maintain muscle mass, which supports testosterone stability and long-term energy. 4. Prioritize rest and sleep. Your body regenerates hormones, repairs cells, and builds strength during deep sleep. Lack of sleep can reduce testosterone levels and increase stress hormones. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. 5. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for every cellular function, including energy production. Dehydration slows metabolism, reduces circulation, and can cause fatigue. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily, especially if you're physically active. 6. Manage stress. Stress is one of the biggest enemies of male energy. Chronic stress raises cortisol levels, which suppress testosterone. Try meditation, breathing exercises, or simply spending time in nature to help your body relax. Combine these habits with your daily energy mix, and you'll feel a transformation that goes beyond physical stamina. You'll feel clearer, calmer, and more confident naturally. Deeper science. Why natural boosters work better than synthetic ones. Let's take a moment to talk about why natural remedies like this energy mix are often more effective and safer than chemical or synthetic supplements. When you use synthetic energy boosters or pills, your body receives an artificial surge of hormones or stimulants. It might give you quick results, but it often leads to side effects, heart strain, blood pressure spikes, or hormonal imbalance. Natural ingredients, on the other hand, work in harmony with your body's natural systems. They don't force your body to perform, they support it. Coffee's caffeine stimulates without overwhelming your adrenal system when balanced with honey. Honey provides steady glucose, preventing energy crashes. Ginger enhances blood flow and reduces inflammation. Tangerine juice improves absorption and detoxification. Together, these natural compounds encourage your body to produce and regulate its own energy efficiently. That's why people who switch to natural methods like this often report not only more energy, but also better sleep, improved digestion, and enhanced mental focus. Nature heals holistically, not just one part at a time. Your next step to natural vitality. Thanks for watching Human Machine 3D, your home for practical, natural ways to keep your body strong and your health in balance. If you found this natural energy mix helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs an extra push toward natural wellness. Drop a comment below and tell us where you're watching from. We'd love to know how natural remedies are used in your region or what herbal tips you've learned from your culture. Remember, strength doesn't fade with age. You can feel vibrant and confident again, even in your 70s or 80s, when you nourish your body with nature's own tools. Be sure to check the description below for links to our ebooks, where you'll find more natural remedies, recipes, and 3D visual breakdowns of how your body heals itself naturally. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep learning how to power your body naturally with Human Machine 3D.